What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to learn about the E flat major scale. Now in order to build a major scale for any key, there is a formula that we can use, and the formula goes like this. So you start from the starting key that you want to start from, and then you take a whole step, and then you take another whole step, and then you take a half step, and then you take a whole step, and then you take a whole step, and then you take a whole step, and then you take a half step. See that? So using that formula, we can use that formula to construct a major scale for any of the 12 keys. So we're going to use that formula to construct the major scale for the key of E flat. Now just to remind you, moving from one key to the next key, so for example, if I move from the key of E flat to the key of E, then that means I've moved up by a half step. So moving from one key to the next key is known as moving by a half step. See that? If I move from one key to another key and I skip a key in between, so for example, if I move from the key of E flat to the key of F, I've skipped the key of E in between. So this means that I've moved by a whole step. See that? So those are the definitions of what it means to move by a half step or by a whole step. I'm only saying this because we're going to use these terms when constructing the major scale for the key of E flat. So yeah, let's start. So from the key of E flat, we want to construct the major scale for the key of E flat. So our first key is going to be the key of E flat. So let's apply the formula. So let's take a whole step. So, and then another whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step. See that? So that is the E flat major scale. Now let's do that again for the last time. So from the key of E flat, let's take a whole step, and then another whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step. See that? So yeah, that's it for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.